Kwimwe thutha wa minister wa barabara no kui James Macharia kuuga bururi ni wihariirie gucokereria thabari cia ndege guku bururi-ini na nja wa bururi thutha wa ministry yo kurikia mitaratara iria ibataranitie ya kuiga utheru na guthaitira gutherema kwa murimu uyu iharo-ini cia ndege undu umwe na ndege-ini thiini honge ingi cia thirikari onacio ni ciranĩire gukorwo irikitie kuiga mitaratara iria yagiriire ya guthaitira murimu uyu.
So our objective is to come and see activity. People flying in at night and flying in the morning. This is what will give us a lot of joy. But then we have done what we have to do to make sure that the protocols are ready.
Umuthi minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Fred Matiang'i na muruna we wa ugima wa mwiri Mutahi Kagwe ni manyitanaire na Najib Balala wa ugendi hari kuruguria makinya na mibango ere ihuthikaga ruhonge-ini ruru wona bururi wa hingurwo.
We now know that it is possible to conduct your business as long as you are within and operate within certain measures. We now know that it is possible to have a meeting like this one if you can keep your distance, if you can wear a mask. We know that. Therefore, if we know that that saves you, there is then no reason why we cannot have the meeting.
It's now a reality that the virus could become endemic, and we must all be prepared to live with it and resume normalcy under the prevailing circumstances as global efforts to find vaccines continue.
Maya mothe mokite thiku nini mbere ya ndumiriri ya President Uhuru Kenyatta kiumia giukite riria thiku 30 cia mikana iria yarutirwo igathira guku miario ya minister yarutite kamweneni ka maundu gucenjia na hihi president kweheria mikana ino kibarua kinene riu gitigitwo moko-ini ma Akenya niguo guthaitira gutherema kwa murimu uyu.
And it is not any safer being in Milan than it is in Malindi, provided you are observing the protocols. That is the plain truth. So that's why I'm calling it the new normal.
We have been in the forefront to make sure that the healthy situation of our country is good, and also our international visitors are being considered and taken care of when they arrive into our country.
Mwena-ini wayo thirikari ni igite keheri bilioni 56.6 cia guteithia gukiria utonga wa bururi thutha wa king'uki gia COVID-19 makiria kuona biacara nyingi honge-ini itiganite ikoretwo igitara hathara hanene na ingi nginya kuhinga mirango.
The global citizen, because it's not just about Kenya, the global citizen has to learn to live with this new COVID-19 as a fact of life.
Guku iharo cia ndege mikawa undu umwe na honge ingi bururi-ini ikirikiria mehaririria ma gucokereria wira kuma kiumia giukite kibarua kinene riu gitigitwo moko-ini ma Kenya guthingatithia mawatho maria maigitwo ni thirikari maguthaitira gutherema kwa king'uki giki guku wuigiririki wa andu othe ukigwetwo ta wa bata munene mbere ya bururi kuhingurwo.
Why should police officers sleep on the roads to help you understand that you should walk away from danger, when in actual fact, you know that driving out to a particular place means endangering, first of all, your own life, then the life of your family members, and the lives of other people in the community.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV getwo Nduta Wanyuthe.